Christmas is my favorite holiday of the season, and SeaWorld has the largest Christmas celebration in Texas, and I'm ready to see it for myself.
SeaWorld's Christmas celebration has the distinction of being the largest Christmas celebration in the whole state. So we're so happy that you are here today. We've got the largest light display, millions and millions of lights all over this 250-acre park. It's an incredible sight to see when the sun goes down.
Now, I know SeaWorld is all about entertainment. What are the shows that I should see?
First and foremost, we are a marine life park, so all the normal animal shows, the orca show, the beluga whale show, the sea lion show, all of those, you can come out and learn about these beautiful animals. But for Christmas, we have kind of put a Yuletide theme on some of our shows. So our beluga show is now called the Beluga Christmas. And then we also have Clyde and Seymour's Countdown to Christmas. Now, Clyde and Seymour are California's sea lions, and they're always up to something. The Jingle Bells are here. They're fantastic. They're an all-girl group, and they sing Christmas songs in all different styles. We've got jazz, we've got pop, we've got soul. The Jingle Bells are a lot of fun. They'll have you dancing in the street and singing along with them. And one of my favorites, and I think this is a favorite here in San Antonio, is the Merry Mariachis. Yeah.
Sounds like it's right up my alley.
It is right up
there.
Yeah, living in San Antonio for so long, it's up all of our alleys there. Merry Mariachis, they're mariachi singers. They sing Christmas carols. They sing traditional mariachi tunes. It is something you definitely want to see when you come here.
When I'm walking around the park, I'm gonna get hungry. What do you recommend for me to have?
Tell you what, believe it or not, SeaWorld has its own chef that works here, and he has created all sorts of sweets and treats and eats for us when you come out to the park. But also, we have a celebrity guest chef. Mrs. Claus is here. Yeah,
What?
She actually took her kitchen from the North Pole and brought it here. It's in our Christmas Cove area, which is kind of like a 50s theme, 50s inspired Christmas wonderland. Dinner with Mrs. Claus and Santa Claus, it's an opportunity for families to come out and start a new tradition, and if you've been doing this for years, you can continue on with that tradition. It's offered on the weekends. You come on out, you have to sign up in advance. Reservations are required. We also have an opportunity for people to have dinner with one of the most beloved Christmas figures ever. And I'm talking Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Oh my
You remember the
gosh.
Christmas special
Yes,
from when
of
we were
course.
all kids. We have meet and greet opportunities throughout the entire day for you to meet these beloved characters, and you can make reservations to have Christmas dinner with them as well. There's also other opportunities for food and beverage out here. Everyone likes to roast s'mores. You know, you get the chocolate and the marshmallow and the graham crackers. You put it on, you just smash it together, and it's delicious. We have giant fire pits out here, and you can roast s'mores by the fire pits, which is a lot of fun. And we also have some adult beverages, if you know what I mean.
Let me hear it.
Yes,
what do you got going
we have
on?
hot chocolate for the kiddos,
Of
but we
course.
also have spiked hot chocolate for those for you,
For me,
Valerie.
that's why
for
I'm
the
here.
21 and above crowd, we've got hot toddies. Just there's something for everyone out here.
Coming up next, we continue our holiday adventure at the largest Christmas celebration in Texas. My childhood dreams are coming true because I'm going to have dinner with Santa and Mrs. Claus. I mean, I'm literally the luckiest person on earth. Got the best seat in the house. Ooh, these are the garlic herb roasted potatoes. Yes, get some of this. I love potatoes. These are my weakness. And we got bacon and onion Brussels sprouts. Oh my gosh, look how good these look. Like I said, there's no restrictions during the holidays. Thank you, Mrs. Claus. So good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. want to tell you, your food from your kitchen is to die for. It's so delicious.
Thank you. They have been working very hard all day to make sure that everything is perfect for you. And so I'm hoping that everybody's enjoying it.
Oh, I know everyone is.
Wonderful.
And I wanted to ask you,
Yes.
do you know what Santa is bringing me for Christmas?
It's a secret.
Okay.
I'm sorry I can't divulge because there's still a few weeks.
Aw,
So we have to make sure that you stay on the nice list.
Okay, I promise I will. Just a few more weeks and I'll stay on the nice list.
Check this out up here. Look at this tunnel of light. Music will play, you know, traditional Christmas carols will play, and the lights will actually pulsate and move.
Wow,
Again.
this is crazy beautiful.
This is some of the millions of lights. Literally, there are millions of lights out here, so you got to come out and experience it.
Oh my God, and this is a perfect Instagrammable place. Get your photos for the gram.
It is. We should do it. We should take a little selfie
Yes,
here. Here we
yes,
go.
yes.
I'll
We
turn
have to
it
take
around
advantage of the
here.
lights.
Take advantage of the light. Make sure the light's in front of us in 3, 2.
Santa's never come to visit them.
Well, fight Rudolph's fuzzy underbelly, why not?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
All of my Christmas dreams came true. I met Santa, I had awesome food from Mrs. Claus's kitchen, and enjoyed some of the best Christmas shows, and it all happened here at SeaWorld.